Life science encompasses a vast field of study that explores all aspects of living entities on our planet. It includes disciplines such as biology, ecology, medicine, and the study of living organisms. Their organization, life processes, and their relationships with each other and the environment. From the tiniest virus to the largest animal, life sciences strive to uncover the secrets of life itself. Laboratories face the challenging task of not only conducting research in these diverse fields, but also creating the optimal conditions to facilitate such studies. To achieve a high level of efficiency in a life science laboratory, there are three key factors to consider. 1. A skilled staff managing procedures. 2. A well-defined project plan and processes. 3. The use of appropriate equipment. One critical condition that must be achieved is stable and precise control of the environmental atmosphere, typically accomplished through the use of premixed gas cylinders or dynamic gas mixers. Managing living organisms is no easy feat, and even the slightest change in the environment can significantly impact research outcomes. Gas mixers offer distinct advantages over gas cylinders, primarily the freedom to adjust gas ratios and flows based on specific needs. This adjustability can be achieved manually or automated, ensuring high accuracy and enabling the creation of multiple inputs of different gases using a single instrument. Life science research finds its applications across a broad spectrum of scientific disciplines. Biotechnology involves the study of the fusion between living organisms and technology. It encompasses a wide range of biological research, employing organisms to develop new technologies. Biotechnology branches out into areas such as DNA studies, immunology, and the development of new drugs and diagnostic tests. Ecology investigates the interactions between living and non-living organisms and their physical environment. This field covers topics such as food chain control, fungi and parasites, biodiversity, and the distribution of living organisms. Microbiology focuses on the study of microorganisms and their interactions with other living organisms. This field includes branches such as virology, bacteriology, immunology, and parasitology. Microbiology delves into the realm of some of the smallest living beings, single-celled organisms or small-cell colonies. In the past, microbiology was considered one of the most challenging sciences, due to the specialized equipment and skills required to study such minuscule entities. Cell biology, also known as cytology, examines the structure and function of cells and molecules, as well as the interactions that occur within living cells and their environment. Cell biology delves even deeper than microbiology, exploring the intricate living systems that exist within individual cells. It encompasses branches such as cell metabolism, cell communication, cell cycle, biochemistry, and more. Epidemiology investigates the life cycles of diseases caused by living organisms. This field examines how these microorganisms live, reproduce, cause harm, and ultimately perish. Understanding the dynamics of diseases is crucial for effective disease management and prevention. By utilizing adjustable gas mixtures, life science researchers can enhance their studies and achieve greater control over experimental conditions. The wide range of applications within the field of life sciences showcases the vast potential for advancements and discoveries in various scientific disciplines. For those interested in learning more about the gas mixer and its capabilities, additional information can be found on our website. Thanks for watching.